I remember I had this power supply, this a dual 65 volts power supply, and this power supply can do 1 kilowatt continuous, about 1.5 kilowatt peak. And I think we can use this power supply to test the L30 board with 2 ohms load, because this board accepts power supply from 60 volts to 80 volt. So you can use this power supply here, dual 65 volts power supply, to test this board. Okay, so let's check the output of the power supply. Okay, so that's 65 volts on the negative rail, 65 on the positive rail, around 130 from negative to the positive rail. Our 2 ohms dummy load is already connected, so we can just start loading the amplifier. So this is the current output of the amplifier, 34 volts peak to peak. So I'm going to increase the input to the amp now to drive it to clipping, and let's see if this amp is stable at 2 ohms. Okay, so it's the same, the amp is turning off 100. Okay, so when the output reaches 106 volts peak to peak, the amp is turning off. You can see the LED is turning off. Let's see what is happening to the output of the power supply. Maybe the power supply is cutting off. So we're going to check the output of the power supply. So as you can see, the output of the power supply is stable. It's not sagging. So absolutely there's no problem with our power supply. The amp is just turning off. So the amp is not stable at 2 ohms load. So I'm going to reduce the output of the amp to a little bit, so it does not turn off. I need to reduce the output a little bit more. Okay, so it's stable at 94 volts peak to peak. So that is our maximum voltage output before the amp tries to turn itself off. 94 volts peak to peak. And let's look at our THD. Our THD is around, we're here at the 3% range. So THD is around 2.2%. Yes, 2.2%. So this is our results at Ohms Load. Let's turn this off. $94 divided 2.8. 1.28 squared by 2. So the amp can only do 552 watts RMS at 2 ohms load because the amp is not stable at this impedance. So this board was not able to meet its rated output at 2 ohms load of 850 watts. Says here 850 watts at 2 ohms.